Hi guys, we haven't done one of these in a minute. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you can tell by the title of this video, today we are going to be making some quick and easy dinner rolls using our bread machine. So if you are interested, then go ahead and stick around with me and let's get right into it. I'm also going to let you know really quickly that all of the measurements for everything we are using is going to be in the description box below, so definitely check that out. But other than that, this is a really quick and simple, straightforward process. So here we go. So just like when I made my sandwich bread, I am still using the KBS 17-in-1 bread machine. I love this thing so much. It has so many settings and I really only have used maybe like 2 or 3 of them. But I make so many things using this bread machine. So for these dinner rolls, we're going to go to setting number 11, menu 11, and that is going to be our raw dough setting. And it's 23 minutes. It takes 23 minutes. It mixes it up and you'll see how it turns out once we take it out. But yeah, go ahead and start it. And 23 minutes later, here we are. So I like to use gloves when I'm in the kitchen. It just makes the cooking, baking, whatever you want to call it, process go by so much faster when I'm not worried about my hands actually touching the food. But anyway, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove my my dough from the bread machine pan, and I'm just going to go ahead and separate them into a few balls. So that's what I'm doing here. And then after I make all of my balls, I'm going to pick them up and I'm going to gather all of the dough at the bottom and pretty much knot it together. And then I'm going to sit it to the side and then put it in my pan and then let it rest for a bit. So that's this process. Now, if there is one thing that I would change with this recipe, it would be to probably add a little bit less yeast. I think I added, well, actually, I don't think, I know I added 2 teaspoons of yeast, and I might reduce it to about 1.5 teaspoons of yeast. That way they don't rise so much, because I will say that I made 10 dinner rolls using these measurements, and they were large and they rose a lot. So yeah, I would use a little bit less yeast. That's hard to say. And I will also probably make the dinner rolls a little bit smaller. I will be making these this upcoming Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna make a lot more smaller ones and just kind of have them be easier to eat that way. And don't let the butter fool you. This is still a no dairy bread recipe. Omit buttering the top if you wish. I just kind of had to do it. But anyway, guys, this is it for this video and for this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate you. Go ahead and like and comment and subscribe for more content. And I will also be leaving the link to the KBS 17-in-1 bread machine in the description box below as well, so definitely look out for that. But definitely stick around, because next video with our bread machine we will be making cinnamon raisin bagels. So yeah, like I said, be on the lookout for that. But again, thanks so much for watching, and I will definitely catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
There's nothing better than a
Let's finish time.
I don't know.